most easy, giving more effective results in very little time, and sure shot. Probably in all these years of my using this technique with, I can say I may have impacted more than a lakh of people. Impacted. Have worked with at least about 5,000 people. And I have come across so far two individuals who I couldn't produce any results in after doing it for even 3-4 times. In one person, he was not willing to, but after the third time, I could see he could start mellowing down. So it is that effective. All the people that I have worked with may not have immediately experienced the shift, but have definitely experienced calming down. What Kalpana just now expressed has definitely happened instantly with a lot of people. I also used to make people who used to come to learn yoga from me. And a lot of these youngsters who are so restless, they find yoga very slow. उनके parents ने मेरे पास में आके benefit किया है, so they have sent them. But their mind is not ready for it. So what I used to do a little chatting initially, which we all do in yoga class, to help people settle down. And when I would find that this is the kind of restlessness they are having, I would first make them do this technique and then get them into the yoga class. They felt definitely better. They could benefit better from the asana class and the pranayam that they were doing. I have seen that people who find it difficult to sit down for 2 minutes of conditioning quietly without moving with eyes closed, they are able to sit easily for 10 minutes after doing VCT. So it is having that kind of cooling and calming effect. If you can create more of the positive sanskaras, it's a yoga technique. And that is why I am proposing this. And those who want to see results, particularly with all these day-to-day debris, a lot of my students have named this technique as दिमाग का डस्टर. क्योंकि रोज रात को, जैसे अभी वो श्रीपुर जी बोल रहे थे, सरपुरम जी, हाँ, कि रोज करना चाहिए, सोने से पहले रोज करना चाहिए. सो मैं भी उनको वही बोलती हूँ तो कि हाँ, इट इज वेरी नाइस कि दिन भर में जो भी हुआ है, रात को उसको दिमाग से निकाल दो, डस्टर से दिमाग भी साफ कर दो, जैसे रोज घर साफ करते हैं, बॉडी साफ करते हैं, दिमाग भी रोज साफ करो. तो फर्स्ट क्लास नींद भी आती है, फ्रेश भी होते हैं, एंड द नेक्स्ट डे इज ऑल्सो बेटर. ऐसा.
Next, please. Vinisha ji, please. Just if we are very brief, so then that would be good. Please.
Sure.
Vinisha ji.
Yeah. So I'll just take like a 90-second thing to connect the points that everybody is brought to fore. So when you look at the whole thing, each one's perspective is correct. We are all trying to arrive at the same point, chitta vritti nirodh. So all the ways that Gopal sir said, another gentleman added about Sakshi Bhavana, and what ma'am was saying, they're all trying to arrive at the same point. And the beauty of our system is that it accepts that whichever way you follow, it's correct. So each one of us, for ourselves, we try out something. We feel, I think what works for us, we should, keep pursuing that path, because at the end, the abhyas is very, very essential to root in. And all of it is coming to awareness, basically. So first point is being aware of the emotion. Second point will be, once you identify with it, because we know what is yam, niyam, and what's right and wrong in general for a common man, you start placing, okay, so I want to be a part of the right team. So then I need to move away from, doing these things. So there your pratipaksha bhavna, meaning doing the reverse of what you are feeling, because this is not acceptable. So where the gentleman said that sakshi, the witness. So there again, witnessing and then visualizing again, letting go of that emotion and feeling the reverse emotion. So if somebody is feeling jealousy, instead feeling happy for them, which is what we learn in all our Yoga Sutras, feeling happy for their achievement rather than feeling jealousy. That constant substitution of these emotions consciously with the Sakshi Bhavana, bringing all of it together, the more abhyas that keeps happening, it's like the muscle keeps getting stronger and the same movements become easier. It starts building. And also, we see that when we do these things, we attract more people, more situations which help us to overcome these things. And the gentleman's question about whether it is abhyas or vairagya, neither it by itself is enough, because it's explained nicely in the Yoga Sutra also. The first whatever understanding of it is that it's like a bird. It's two wings. The abhyas and the vairagya both have to work together. Or it's like a step. Like taking the step is abhyas and leaving the foot behind is the vairagya. So
Very
both
well
have
said.
to happen constantly. And like he said, that life is constantly moving. It's coming again and again and again. So the more we are aware, the more we can become who we want to be, rather than being just in the flow and aimlessly going where our emotions take us. So that is what I would have liked to add. I mean, everybody brought to fore
Yes. In
all the
fact,
different
you said a
learnings,
very nice
and
point,
yeah.
which
And your point about, the physical tapping and all. So this is basically where even in yoga we start with asanas first, after yam niyam, because most people cannot go to the level of the next.
correct.
So something that is abstract. So you start with a physical, you calm the system down, you bring your sympathetic system into. So with all the tapping, what you're doing is basically activating your vagus nerve, and
Parasympathetic. Yes.
you're parasympathetic, and you are getting into that
Correct.
rested phase. And in that phase, automatically, then you are. It's like the doors are open to let all what you said, like a
In
duster,
fact,
let the
yeah, the
kachra move
way
out.
it is
Yeah,
explained is, अच्छा
yeah.
पहले तो आपने जो बोला विनीशा, very
Hmm.
important point. Uh, when Sri Ram asked this question about what actually is a yoga technique, he was told that anything and everything that helps you to be and remain in a balanced state, come to a balanced state and remain in a balanced state, is a yoga technique. So, not necessary that Patanjali has to say it. So, whatever works for us is our yoga technique. And of course, we must always try and find out that which is more in tune with our way of life, because Prakriti is evolving throughout. It is only getting more and more complex. And therefore, more and more specifics need to be worked at. At one time, हमारे एक ऑर्थोपेडिक डॉक्टर एक ही होता था, मसल्स एंड स्केलेटन के लिए एक ही डॉक्टर होता था, भले वो स्पाइन का है चाहे घुटने का है। या आजकल स्पाइन का डॉक्टर अलग है, घुटने का डॉक्टर अलग है, रिब केज के लिए डॉक्टर अलग है, नाक की हड्डी टूट गई तो डॉक्टर अलग है। स्पेसिफिक्स हो गए ना, बिकॉज प्रकृति इज इवॉल्विंग, it's getting more and more complex. So also this, and that is why I find this technique to be more specific to our today's way of life. 2 मिनट वाली जिंदगी हो गई है ना, मैंने देखा 2 मिनट भी नहीं है, अब तो 2 सेकंड हो गई है। Reels and shorts, people don't want to see beyond 3 minutes, 3 seconds, if they have not got interested in 3 seconds, है ना। तो मैं अपने चैनल के ऊपर जब व्यूइंग देखती हूँ तो आई फाइंड वेरी क्लियरली कि द पीपल हैव नो पेशेंस टुडे Therefore, you need something that will work fast. Lekin kitna fast? It has to produce result for the person who is practicing after. Finally, it is that. So, किसी को ये जमेगा, किसी को वो जमेगा, या कभी हमारे को ये जमेगा, कभी हमारे को वो जमेगा, ऐसा होता है. So we must have enough in our toolkit to help
Next, please.
ourselves continue to progress and be healthy and happy. Okay, now I can answer Kalpana's question before we can come to an end. I don't know how much time. I think we've already crossed the time, sir.
There is no problem.
No
if you are
problem. No.
comfortable,
I
then
am comfortable as long as
Yes.
you all are.
Yes, this is a very
Kalpana was
interesting
asking,
topic.
why did I leave out this finger? So Vinisha ने जो बात कही अभी, that this tapping of points is actually stimulating all the various nerve endings of our visceral organs, where the parasympathetic nerve system goes. So this finger, it's called ring finger. Why? इसके अंदर वेडिंग रिंग, तुम्हारी एंगेजमेंट रिंग यहाँ पहनते हो ना, क्यों पहनते हो? Because it has got nerve endings connected very strongly with the heart region. Yes, your heart chakra also. So, जो नाड़ियाँ, जो energy channels that they pass through this finger are very, very strong. And I was just demonstrating. So I didn't want anything to flare up. So it is important to leave it. Also, I use it only when I am very sure that the person that I am working with has very clearly come to a point wherein one really wants to release whatever one is facing. Naito, it can cause upheaval. When people try to pick up some बहुत strong emotion, पहली बार में उनको उसके ऊपर ही काम करना है, then they go through a state of kind of, you know, या तो खूब रोएंगे और खूब गुस्सा हो जाएंगे या और कुछ और दुख निकल आएगा, then it becomes really shabby. So I try to use that only when I'm doing one-on-one and deep down, जैसे मैंने कहा, cause of the cause of the cause of the cause, जब जाना होता है तो हर एक पृथ्वी के नीचे गंध तो है ही, है ना, ऊपर के क्रस्ट के नीचे सब कॉन्शियस में क्या क्या पड़ा पड़ा है हमें नहीं पता, तो वो क्या क्या निकल के आएगा. So it is best to do that one-on-one. In a group, we use more for awareness, more for learning, and thin layer by layer. एक साथ में बहुत बड़ा सारा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसके लिए हमारे पास में बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, है ना. We have many other ways. So we must slowly work at it, and what is immediately affecting us, deal with that first. इसलिए I avoid this finger, particularly in the beginning, and use it mainly when we are either in a very closed group where everyone understands and knows each other and one doesn't mind having a showdown, because it really can lead to a showdown.
Thank you, ma'am.
एकता जी कुछ कहना है?
एकता जी please.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste. It was really a very good class. And even with Kalpana ma'am, even I did practice when you were instructing. So it really helped me
Okay.
in releasing those. I actually compare it. I brought the same thought and it brought the anger level to really, it lowered the anger level. So it's a good technique.
Very good.
I want to ask, okay, this technique is as in now there are different type of emotions, right? So the command is the same and the places are the same for all the command, or it works differently for different command?
No, the points that we stimulate are the same. The sequence in which we stimulate remains the same. The words that we say have to be absolutely honest. The one thing, the only one requirement for this technique is to be ruthlessly honest. It's not about the technical meaning of the word. अभी एक बार one gentleman who came to me came in real fury, and when I asked him, okay, how are you feeling now? Yeah. That's all he could say. He was so angry that he could not even express in words how he was feeling. So I know that I couldn't help him without having to get out of this fury. So what do you think I did? I said, okay, just do as I do and say as I say. He at least listened to me because he had come. He said, even though I'm feeling, I deeply am completely laughing when I accept myself. And we went on. He did that and he could release. Before we ended that whole one round also, he could start talking. And he told me what his situation was. And he worked on that situation. And before I could finish, he wanted to leave. I said, no, you finished the round before. So second round he completed. He said, I have found the solution. I'm going. It was his office hour and he was sitting there with me. Office में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ था and he was very angry with that. He didn't know how to deal with himself, so he had come down for a session. तो ऐसा है. What you say, you simply have to be ruthlessly honest, not to look for technical words. If by seeing this once you think that you can do it on your own, I would say be wary. So don't try to just do it on your own like this. Learn it properly. If you're interested, we can teach you the whole technique. I can give you all the pros and cons of every step, how to make that statement, what exactly to say, what to mean, and how to make choice statement. Just now also while demonstrating, because first time I was doing it with Kalpana, so I didn't want to dig deep. So I did not make a replacement choice. The choice statement that I made for her was to be free from anger. But actually anger then should be replaced with a positive emotion, no? Then we are going a step forward. क्योंकि योग के अंदर क्या कहा है? From tamas, the rajas should act to make it sattvic. So, but I didn't make it sattvic. I only calmed down the tamas and kept the rajas also low. So I did not change it to anything sattvic. Because demonstration ke waqt, I can't take those kind of risk. Unless until the whole group is ready with it, then yes, we can. And when you can tell me what is coming out of it below that. उस गुस्से के नीचे क्या जमा है नहीं पता. कोई ना कोई संस्कार है जो भले इस जन्म में पैदा हुआ हो या पिछले जन्म का लेकर आए हो. And that surfaces.
Can you also repeat the name of the technique?
Vritti changing technique.
थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम. बहुत अच्छे. आपने तो एक बड़े से बड़ा लीडर भी बन सकता है, पॉलिटिशियन भी बन सकता है. तो कहीं पर बहुत ज्यादा इंसल्ट लेकर आए हैं और फिर हम नेक्स्ट वाले गांव में जाना है, वहां पर कुछ और. तो नेक्स्ट में हो सकता है कि वहां पर आपको फूलों के हार मिले, ये भी हो सकता है. बट इफ वी आर एबल टू चेंज, तो दिस इज वंडरफुल थिंग कि इफ वी कैन, एंड दिस इज टोल्ड बाय दैट पतंजलि गुरु जी के, वंडरफुल थिंग कि ए पर्सन कैन चेंज एनीथिंग जो है. तो दिस इज रियली. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम. बहुत अच्छे. दिस वाज ए वंडरफुल वे you have expressed. Thanks Kalpana ji, you also participated very well. So thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Gulfar sir. Thank you, Suchitra ma'am.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, dear. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste,
So,
ma'am. Thank you.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
अंदर मिला महा.